we go. Is Indy gonna get back in there?
Indy, you want to come hang out? Indy, come over here.
Look who's being playful. Oh, Indy. Indy, move.
Indy, why don't you come be in the video?
Hey, Cullen. Hey, say I'm 6 days old today. And I'm wearing some rocket ships from Cousin Jonah. And I got the hiccups. Indy. Back up, bud. Indy, come here. Back up. Make a noise. Make a noise. Being cute. The boppy thing is kind of nice for dropping him off. Indy, stop. Can you back up a little bit, buddy?
He's trying to get some.
Watch out for Indy coming around,
I
okay?
don't think he found where he's trying to get.
Here's Indy, sniffing in the background. Not sure what he thinks. Here we go.
Smell his diaper. It's pretty cool.
Hi. You hamming it up for the camera? Indy is not so sure. Not the cutest thing in the room anymore. Hey, mister. Gonna be a week old tomorrow. How did that happen? This week last time, or this time last week, we were still in the hospital waiting for you. Okay, Indy looking at his feet. Indy is not so sure about this. All right, say bye.